Hello everyone, myself Aditya Chauhan, roll number 2201CA07, and my partner in this project is Aditya Yadav, roll number 2201CA07. And this video is regarding the demonstration of our semester project in computer networks, wherein we were asked to develop a peer-to-peer file sharing system. So let's begin. So first of all, this is the code for server.py. So server, what is server doing? Server is actually storing the information of the files which are owned by different peers. Now, what is happening is that when peer 1 shares a file, the information of the file gets transferred to the server. So server doesn't has the file, but server has the information that peer 1 has that particular file. While downloading as well, when peer 2 wants to download the same file, it contacts the server. The server tells that peer 1 has the same file, and then peer 1 and peer 2 contact via socket creation and IP addresses. Let's get an overview of server.py code. So here it is built on Flask, and this is the initialization of the database. In server, we have three databases, a table for users, a table for files, and a tables for ratings. Uh, we have ratings as well. We can rate a file according to our use. So this is the server code for registration, the server code for logging in, the server code for register file, and the server code for size, search files, and rate files. Yes, and these are all the socket creation on the server side. Now moving forward, this is the code for client.py. Now what is happening is that the server.py code has to be run once for in order to initialize the server. But every peer which wants to connect to that server or that network has to run the client.py. So let's take an example. If there are three peers, peer 1, peer 2, peer 3, then all three have to run the same client.py in order to connect to the server. Yes, default server URL. This is the URL for the server. In this case, this is my IP address. Moving forward, this is the code. It will be easier to understand using the interface. So let's begin. First of all, let's run the server.py. So Python server.py. As you can see, the server has been initialized. Now let's create a peer 1. In order to create a peer 1, we have to run client.py. Yes, this is peer 1. Now we have to create peer 2. So I'm using the same PC but different terminal in order to create peer 2. As you can see, these are to the on the left side we have peer 1, on the right side we have peer 2. Now let us register on peer 1. So let's take it as it is 7, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and register. Registration is successful and we directly logged in. And on the right side, let us register, and we have Vidya 8, and password is 8765432 1. Register. Now as you can see, we have various options here. First of all, let's take a file. We will rename it to example for sharing. Yes. Now let's view the content. This is the content of example for sharing. Yes. Now we are going to share this file using peer 1. Yes. So let's share a file to desktop and mm, yes, example for share. Open. So we successfully shared a file. Now there are various other options like search files, download files, rate files, chat. Yes. So I am going to use peer 2 for searching the file, then downloading the file, and then rating the file. So search for the file. What is the name of the file? Example underscore for underscore share. Oh, just a second, sorry. For underscore share and it dot txt. And the file type is, as you can see, txt. Search. Yes, we found the same file which is shared by Aditya 7. Now we can download this file. See, as you can see, the file has been downloaded and has been stored in the download section. Let's go to the download section first. See, an example for share has been downloaded with the same content as we witnessed there. Also, there will be the same file in shared files as well because we have shared the file on the same PC. Moving forward, we can rate file as well. See, so we can rate, submit rating. Rating has been submitted successfully, and as you can see, this is the rating. Now let me show the chat feature. So what has to be in the chat feature? Both the peers have to switch on their chats. Now they can chat directly. Like in the peer one section, I'm writing, hello, myself, Aditya 7. Send. As you can see, the same message has been reached to peer 2. He can also respond as well. I am Aditya 8. As you can see, the we can chat directly, and this, yes, we have also introduced chat function. So the gist of the project is that we can share file and download files using peer-to-peer connection. We can also rate files and search files, and there is an option for chatting as well. So yes, this concludes my presentation. Thank you.